You see people waking up at 5 a.m., journaling, meditating, working out, reading 5 books a week, and you're just trying to get through Monday without losing your mind. Today, I'm sharing 8 powerful but simple self-improvement basics that can change your life without burning you out. Adopt a growth mindset. Everything starts here. If you believe you're just not good at something, you'll avoid it. But if you believe you can improve, everything shifts. You try harder. You learn more. You bounce back faster. Back when I was working as a life coach, I had so much self-doubt. I wasn't an expert coach, but then I reframed it. I'm not a great coach yet. And that one word, yet, changed everything. When you believe you can grow, every challenge becomes an opportunity. Practice self-awareness. Self-awareness is the underrated superpower of personal development. Because you can't grow if you don't know where you're starting. That means knowing your strengths, your triggers, your tendencies, or even your energy level. You can't change what you don't notice. Set smart goals. Goal setting and self-improvement go hand in hand. Often, vague goals lead to vague results, but when you make them smart, things actually start moving. So instead of saying, I want to get fit, make it, I'll work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. That's a smart goal. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. While writing Elevate, I didn't just say, I want to write a book. I said, I'll finish a 40,000-word draft in 6 months by writing 500 words a day. That changed everything. Build tiny daily habits. Forget motivation. If you're relying on it, you'll fail on low energy days. But habits, they carry you through. Start tiny. Make it so easy you can't say no. Read 1 page and it becomes 10. Do 2 push-ups and it becomes a workout. Spend 5 minutes journaling and it becomes deep self-reflection. Habits are your real superpower. Start tiny, stay consistent, and stack them. You are eventually going to make it stronger. Manage your time and energy. We all have 24 hours but not the same energy. The trick is to schedule your energy, not only your time. Work in focus blocks and protect your peak brain hours. Follow techniques like time blocking. Instead of reacting to random to-dos, plan out your day in chunks and give your time a job. Deep work sessions. Dive into deep work sessions, 90-minute sprints where you go all in with no distractions, pure focus. Theme your days, such as Mondays, strategy, Tuesdays, content, Wednesdays, admin. That way, your brain knows what to expect and you stay in flow. Also, avoid context switching. Rather batch similar tasks together, emails, accounting, or PPT slides, do them all in one go. It's honestly a cheat code for getting more done with less stress. Master emotional regulation. Emotional mastery isn't about controlling emotions, it's about understanding them. It's recognizing when you're triggered and choosing how to respond. Research shows naming your emotion reduces its intensity. It's called affect labeling, such as, I'm not lazy, I'm simply feeling overwhelmed. Let me break this down. Emotional intelligence is a life skill. When you can regulate how you feel, you make better decisions and build stronger relationships. Coming up next, never stop learning. The most successful people I know, they're always learning. You don't have to go back to school. Just be curious, read books, listen to podcasts, take that online course. Learn what helps you move forward. And here is a reminder. Be kind to yourself. Sometimes you're going to mess up. And that's okay. You'll skip workouts, you'll have bad days. Don't turn that into a shame spiral. Self-improvement isn't about changing who you are. It's about becoming who you already have the potential to be. Pick one of these basics. Apply it this week. Your future self is built by your current habits. If this helped, let me know in the comments. What's your current self-improvement goal?